Ever wondered how you can get started with investing in cryptocurrency? Well, first off, let's dive into what cryptocurrency is. In its simplest form, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments such as the dollar or euro, cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. You might think of it as the backbone of this digital money. Blockchain, in essence, is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It's a bit like a checkbook that's spread across countless computers all over the world. Transactions are made with a cryptographic signature, kind of like a secret handshake, ensuring security and trust without the need for a central authority like a bank or government. This technology was first used in 2009 to create Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was a revolutionary concept that promised a new kind of financial system, one where control was in the hands of the people, not the institutions. Over the years, thousands of different cryptocurrencies have popped up, each with its own unique features and uses. Some are used for quick and cheap transactions, others for privacy, and some even aim to be the backbone of a whole new internet. So why is cryptocurrency becoming so popular? There are a few reasons. One is the potential for high returns. While it's risky, many people have made significant profits from investing in cryptocurrencies. Another reason is the appeal of being part of an exciting new technology that could change the world. Cryptocurrencies are also increasingly being accepted as a form of payment, making them more practical for everyday use. But it's important to remember that, as with any investment, there are risks involved. The value of cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile, and there's also the risk of theft from hacking. Now that we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, let's move on to how we can start investing in it. Investing in cryptocurrency may seem complex, but it's quite simple when you break it down. Let's delve into the step-by-step process of how you can get started with your crypto journey. Our first step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as the marketplace where you'll buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. There are many out there, each with their unique features. Some have a wider variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, while others offer more advanced trading features. When selecting an exchange, consider its security measures, customer support, and the fees it charges. It's essential to choose an exchange that is trustworthy and suits your needs. Next, you'll need to create an account on the chosen exchange. This is usually a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic personal information and verify your identity. This is a standard procedure known as Know Your Customer or KYC, used by financial institutions to prevent fraudulent activities. Now that you have an account, it's time to deposit some money. Most exchanges accept various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even PayPal. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. Remember, start small. You don't need to invest a fortune to get started. It's more important to understand the process and feel comfortable with your investments. With money in your account, you're now ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. You can choose from a variety of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular, but there are many others like Ripple, Litecoin, and Cardano, each with its unique features and uses. Do your research, understand what you're buying and why. Buying cryptocurrency on an exchange is as simple as entering the amount you want to buy and clicking a button. But remember, the price of cryptocurrencies can be volatile. It's essential to stay informed and make decisions based on careful consideration rather than impulse. Now we've come to one of the most crucial steps, securing your investment. Cryptocurrency, unlike traditional money, is stored in digital wallets. These wallets can be online, on your computer, or even on a special piece of hardware. It's essential to choose a secure wallet because in the digital world, losing your wallet means losing your money. There are many wallets out there, each with its pros and cons. Some are easier to use, while others offer higher levels of security. Choose a wallet that suits your needs, and remember to keep your wallet's information safe and secure. Investing in cryptocurrency involves a few steps, but once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is exciting and full of opportunities, but it's also new and constantly changing. It's important to stay informed, make thoughtful decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy investing! Before we wrap up, it's important to remember a few key points when investing in cryptocurrency. No discussion about investing in this digital realm would be complete without addressing the elephant in the room: volatility. The cryptocurrency market is known for its wild swings. One day, you could be riding high on a wave of green, and the next, you might be caught in a downward spiral. It's unpredictable, it's exhilarating, and yes, it's risky. That's where diversification comes in. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket in traditional investing, the same wisdom applies to cryptocurrency. Don't stake your future on a single coin. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This can help cushion the blow if one of your investments takes a nosedive. Remember, the goal isn't to win big overnight, but to build a robust portfolio over time. Now, onto the most crucial point: research. Cryptocurrency isn't a game of chance, it's a game of strategy and knowledge. Before you part with your hard-earned money, you need to understand what you're investing in. What's the technology behind the coin? What problem does it solve? Who's the team behind it? These aren't just trivia, they're vital pieces of information that can guide your investment decisions. And finally, let's talk about returns. Yes, the potential for high returns is there. Stories of overnight millionaires aren't unheard of. But remember, for every success story, there are countless others who lost money. High reward comes with high risk. It's a balance you'll have to navigate with care. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency can be rewarding, but it's not without its risks. Always do your research and invest wisely. The world of cryptocurrency is a thrilling ride. Buckle up and enjoy the journey, but never forget to keep your safety in mind.